Good evening, this is Mr. T solving one question for one of my students, Mr. Adam, who requested the question is find the equation of the line that passes through the point 35 and is parallel to the line with equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. Just for recalling or summarizing, if we have 2 points given, then the formula for finding out slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. If the 2 points are given, then we will be using this formula. If 1 point is given, let's say x1, y1, any point is given to you, and also the slope is given to you, then we use the equation of a line, and the formula for equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So if 1 point is given, x1, y1, and the slope is given to you, then we will be using this equation of line, which the formula for equation of a line is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, which we will use here. We use this equation, or you can say the formula, whatever you want to say, but usually the general term is using, we find the equation of a line by using this equation y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1 when 1 point is given and the slope is given to you. Second thing is, if the two lines, let's say L1 and L2 are parallel, then the slopes of these lines are also equal. And if you remember, if we have perpendicular lines, then the product of the slopes should be -1. So if we have two lines, L1 and L2, and these two lines are perpendicular, so the slope of L1 denoted by M1 and the slope of L2 denoted by M2, the product of the slope M1 times M2 should be -1 if the lines are perpendicular. We will not using this here, we will be using this one here, line L1, since the line L1 and L2 are parallel, it says here, and is parallel to the line with equation. So when the two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. So I'm erasing this because we are not using it. So again, I'm repeating the same question. Find the equation of the line that passes through the point. So my point is 3, 5, and is parallel to the equation is given as 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. We will compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus b, which is known as slope-intercept form. In this slope-intercept form, whatever is written before the x, that's the slope is. So we will compare this equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 4 with y is equal to mx plus b. So if I want to solve for y, let's say this equation is 1, then equation number 1 becomes 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. I'm interested in y, so I will do minus 2x both sides. This cancels out, so 5y is equal to minus 2x plus 4. And then I am only interested in y, so then this we will divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. 5 and 5 cancels out. Y is equal to minus 2 upon 5x plus 4 upon 5. You can compare this equation with y is equal to mx plus b. So this means y means y, x means x. Anyhow, b is y-intercept, which is 4 upon 5, but we are only interested in slope. So my slope will be what? Minus 2 upon 5. And the point is given as 3, 5. So the point, this one will be x1, y1. So I can write x1 is equal to 3 and y1 is equal to 5. And then I'm just erasing all this. So the equation of a line which we will use is the formula is this one. So y minus y1, what is the value of y1? 5 is equal to m. What is the value of m? Minus 2 upon 5 plus, then you will make a bracket, x minus x1. The value of x1 is 3. And then this 5, if we want to remove this 5, we will multiply by 5 throughout. When we multiply throughout by 5, this will become 5y. Minus 5 times 5 will become minus 25. 5 and 5 cancels out, minus 2. And when we distribute this one, this will become minus 2x plus 6. And then you can write 5y plus 2x minus 25 minus 6 equal to 0. 5y plus 2x minus 25 minus 6 will be minus 31 is equal to 0. Either you can write like this, or you can write 5y plus 2x is equal to 31. So this is an equation of a line which passes through the point 35 and whose slope is minus 2 upon 5, or whose slope is parallel to the line with equation. So what we will do is, we will use this formula in this question. When a point is given, the point is 3, 5 is given. So 3, 5 means your x1 is 3, y1 is 5. The point is given and the equation is given. Equation means you are given slope because the lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, L1 is parallel to L2, then this means the slopes are equal. So we will be using the when a point is given and the slope is given, we will use the equation of line which says y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. And in order to get m, we will compare this equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 4 with y is equal to mx plus b. Then we will solve it for y. When we solve it for y, this equation becomes y is equal to minus 2 upon 5x plus 4. So my slope is this, minus 2 upon 5 is my slope. So I got my slope, minus 2 upon 5. This is my slope. And I got the 2 points, which is 3 and 5. And then I use the formula y minus y is equal to m x minus x1. We put the values of x1 and y1 and m, and then let's solve it. And we got the required equation as 5x plus 2x is equal to 31. Or you can write 5y plus 2x minus 31 is the required equation whose slope is minus 2 by 5 and contains the point 35. If you have any further question, please email us to us, or you can always join